Nang scam si kuya sa akin. Nagpapansamantala ba sila, especially pag may foreigner ka ganun. Kaya hindi umaasenso yung Pilipinas. Good morning. Ang pala, 5 pala. Nag-wash na po. Nag-mix na dito lahat. Skincare, sunscreen. Ito. Para gising naman tayo, tingnan, no? Yung baby. Hindi na ako nasanay kumakain this time. Maaga pa. Parang nag-block yung ano ko ba? Tahinga. Masyadong matamis. Meron kasi siyang Parang palaman sa loob. Ube. Naghina ng wifi dito. Kagabi pa ako nag-save ng mga videos. Hina. Mamaya na lang yun sa bahay. Tapusin ko muna to.
Area.
Dito na kami sa taxi.
Kira, that's where we stayed last time.
Malapit ang naman dito yung port. Then
Quest.
15 minutes
Are we gonna go there again?
kasi nakastay na din kami dito.
Yeah, maybe.
Ditong area
Some
na.
point.
Why?
Well, we just tried
Si
something
Kira ayaw pa
different.
niyang gumising pero kailangan
Was it not
gumising.
good?
It was alright. Had to pay a big deposit.
Iba talaga yung holiday na to, no? Kaya
Seen that one?
parang alis kami ng alis ba? Normally nasa bahay lang kami or pero pagkasama ko talaga si Rip, umalis talaga kami. Kasi nag-board siya dun sa bahay. Si Rip nasa harap.
Product I've
Dito na kami sa
Look how much I've used. Mom, Mom, I'll show you how much product I've used. Not
No, they gotta put it all together.
Okay, you want me to go with it?
Oh, boarding na.
a bit bad, Johnny.
So boarding na, tara nga mong ano, nandun yung aming boat. Amin talaga, amin kasi talaga yun. Siya, kami lang tatlo yung pasahero. Siya!
Time to filming.
Ito yung panahon. Tingnan nyo yun. Clear kaayo ang sky ba? Si kuya doon sa ano ba, sa labas ba? Bumili ako ng otap, dried mangoes, ano pa ba yung pinili ko? Piyaya. Nang scam si kuya sa akin. So nagtanong ako sa parang pangtatlong shop. Yung benta niya sa akin is 50, tapos doon pala sa first shop, doon sa harap is 50 pesos lang. So sabi ko okay na lang yun, basta sabi ko okay na lang yun, pero the bad thing about sa dito ba sa Pilipinas kasi nagmapagsamantala ba sila, especially pag may foreigner ka ganun, kaya hindi umaasenso yung Pilipinas. Kasi mangbudol ba kaysa ka po Pilipino rapod, dapat dili mo na no kay nagbibigay naman tayo ng extra like tip ganun, basta magpapakatotoo lang ba. Pero sabi ko okay na lang yun, sa kanya na lang yun. Sabi kasi nung sa isang shop na ay 50 lang dito ma yan, pero okay lang yun.
Come on, Kira.
Yung
Ready, ma'am?
morning.
Hola, mama, ma'am.
Oo. Tapos, other side. Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys.
Red chair, sir.
Kira, CC.
What's up? Bro, pass my phone.
May nagdire. Where is it then?
So we go in the middle, Munchkin. Well,
Gutom na yan.
Oh, look. Funny what happens when you look for stuff, isn't it, Kira?
Hi guys, welcome back to
Oh
our
my God.
channel. So today we're doing a makeup challenge on the boat on the way to Naval because we're really bored, right Mum? So we're going to post this on both of our channels to see who gets more.
Likes and subscribe.
Well, not subscribers, only likes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So let's start. So we got that one
so we have
yesterday.
this lipstick.
You need to say
I don't know where it's from.
That's-
Charlotte Tilbury.
no. That's from MAC.
We got this in SM yesterday, and we also got this yesterday in Watson, and this yesterday in Watson.
Okay. Nag-vlog si Kira.
First of all, let's put bumpy on here.
Okay, can I have my one?
Wait. No, we're gonna share. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, we're gonna share. So, Mum, first of all, we're gonna do this. Okay.
That's my one.
You go first. No, it's our one. We always share.
So BLK. I think it's 3.99 pesos. You bumped me. Dito ako nakatingin.
Oh, remember, next time. Okay?
You can use it here as well. And here.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'll leave it like that. I messed up. No,
And that one
it's
for the...
black.
Yeah.
No, first of
Can we
all-
use that one, Bob?
No. First
Kapag
of
may
all,
apo
just
raman
put
na.
a bit more lipstick on.
Nagsagol-sagol na.
Just put one layer on the bottom, then so put one layer around the edge.
Can I use this one?
We do the same at the same time. So,
I don't like that one. I just like that.
okay. Well, now we're going to use some gummy bouncy jelly blush at the exact same, but it's not the exact same. It's the same colour. Okay? Okay, Mummy?
Yeah.
There you go, Mummy. One less. One less. Mom. I'm gonna put a bit more of this on. Like, we love it.
Here, so wait.
Around the edge, I do a dark.
I can't.
I got Mr. Eggy.
An hour na lang. Inaantok na
Oh,
ako.
wait. Where did you guys come from? Hi. Where did you come from? I made a kinder.
Tapos, kakain muna kami.
You might think we're on a plane, but we're not.
Kakain muna kami pagdating doon bago kami uwi. Kasi gutom na din ako. Mga cup noodles na kasi yung meron dito. Mga
Oh, it's just like a plane. but it's a boat.
chicheria, gano'n. Sa barbecuehan. At first, ayaw ni Kira. Pero nag-add na naman siya ng 2 pork. What happened?
It's too spicy.
Which one? You don't like it now? Ano? Yung malita namin na ano na, sira yung akin.
This is for you.
Look for that cry.
Cry! Oh, this is for you. Dali, ipit, guys. Wala, lagyan lang. Hindi lang.
Open, open.
How about you wear this?
Okay, open it, okay. Open, what's that? That's from Just.
Kung anak ng gusto naman eh.
Makita ko sa picture. Babati ka na sa mga anak. Pag nagbukas. Hindi ka na siya.